hey, we've got an adjustable base flipped over here to show you the parts of it. So we know it can get frustrating knowing what parts to fix and replace on an adjustable base. So showing you this, we think will help. So if you zoom in here, I'm gonna just kind of walk through. This is the top of the adjustable base. So this individual motor here, this little guy here, is just the headrest tilt motor. This bigger motor over here is the full headrest motor. And one of the things I want to point out is if you ever have to replace it, it might look complicated, it's actually not. It's 2 clevis pins on each motor. They come out and it has one connection that'll go into this junction box. So actually a lot simpler than you might think. So if it does have to be replaced, don't think it's the worst thing on the planet. It can be done and it's not that hard. Here in the middle, we have the massage motors. That's what this is right here. And then over here, if your base has it, now this is one of our higher end bases that has every feature, so yours might not have all these, but this has the USB-A and USB-C ports. This is the junction box. This is the brains of your adjustable base. Everything comes into here, everything plugs in. This is where it all goes. And then as we work our bait down here to the foot, you're gonna have a foot motor. That's this one here. And then you're gonna have another massage vibrator control here. Last but not least, this is the power supply. So the power supply is obviously gonna run right here to the junction box to get power. This is what you plug into the wall. So if your dog or cat ate something like your power supply, there's 2 pieces to it. There's this piece that plugs in, and then it comes in here, and then this piece comes and plugs directly in here to the port that says power. And of course you have a remote.